So we're getting the new shop together. We're taking a quick look at all the machines and how crowded things are. So that's the PM30, but we're going to start from the other side. It's almost hard to see because it's all jammed in there. There's the PM25 with the toolbox next to it. Now the toolbox is going to move. Right now I just don't have a good place for it. And then we got the AI lathe, and it's all actually working fine. And it's running off the VFD. And then the IH mill, which I got the belt drive on it. I don't know if everybody's seen it. It's been a while. So it's all back together. I made a chip pan for it, so I guess this will probably be the last time you get to see it clean. Because chip pans, especially white. But that's a color goo that I got. I got a good deal on it. And then we got the PM940, which the CNC kit's done for it. I just got to get it together here. And that toolbox is going to move too. And then we got the Weiss 30 down here in the corner. Now one thing I got is I have the, that's the PM940 motor, which actually it's a, I don't know, he says it's a horse and a half. It's aluminum frame, or aluminum housing. So it's actually kind of a nice light motor. I got it on top of the allegedly 1.5 horsepower PM30 just because on this one I plan on putting the PM30 motor on the PM25 because it'll be nice on the PM25, and then I'll put the regular VFD motor on there. It's just going to fit. I got to check everything triple close or 3 times or whatever just to make sure that the pulleys are going to allow me to do belt changes. Because it's a 1750 motor, and I got to look at what my RPMs are going to be. 1750 normally means you got to put a larger pulley on them, and it just may be that the pulleys will actually hit and not let me do belt changes. So we'll see. So we got that. Now that shelving unit's going to come out, and then we got like this extra tall one I made to try to make things a little bit more efficient. What we're going to do is we're going to build a stand for the PM30 that's going to go right here where this metal stand is. And if I build a metal frame for it, it'll be easier to put like the toolboxes underneath it and stuff. And a chip pan, everything's going to get a chip pan. So that rack has to go out of here, and then I got to do some extra shelving stuff. So yeah, on the IH, I had to put the screen there, and then I got to put the curtain around it. And then we're going to put a spot down here for the keyboard and mouse. So that's it. A quick look around the new shop. See if I can get a whole place. That's about as far away as I can get. So it's not bad. I like it. The air conditioning works really good. I triple insulated the walls. I live in Arizona, so it's like 110 degrees today. And the split unit works nice. I really like the splits. They're quiet and efficient. So I'm kind of sold on those. So that's it. Thanks, guys.